we're gonna get a lot of draft picks and we're gonna do a lot of this and I'm like this. I mean, I'm in my prime right now. I'm trying to win right now. My dude Joe T, he's about to go Hall of Fame. He could leave any year and be Hall of Fame first ballot right now. We're trying to get a squad that's like ready to go, but like, do you guys not see the same picture as us? So I think towards my end of my career in Cleveland, like towards my seventh, like right when they let me go, they drafted Miles. They got what's my boy name? Baker Mayfield. Both of them. So I'm like, all right, bet for sure. I think they're trying to get a new bigger picture, hopefully. But 2 years before that, it was like we don't have y'all aren't trying to. We really don't feel like you're trying to win as much as we are.
One of the things I do respect about Cleveland is the fan base is unbelievable. The dog pound is crazy.
Yes.
Like Cleveland sports is like loves like that blue collar, hardworking player. You guys had, obviously the Cleveland Cavaliers who were putting all kind of pressure on you guys to be successful because they were winning.
Yeah.
LeBron had the city going crazy. When you look at like the vibe in Cleveland, sports particularly, did the pressure mount on your organizations? Do you feel like, man, like the city's like watching one team win? Did you feel any of that heat?
I felt like what happened with me, honestly, was when I first got drafted there, Braun left at the same time. So we passed in the air. I landed in Cleveland. He landed in Miami. So he did 4 years in Miami. And then my 5th year, I think in Cleveland, he came back. And that's when shit got real, honestly. Because, like, we understood, like, when Braun left, the Cavs were not as good. They drafted my boy Kyrie and Tristan. Those are my homeboys. I loved them to death. But it was like they didn't really have the team. So I got drafted there and I love basketball. Like I literally thought I was going to the NBA. So I got in touch with Dan Gilbert and everything. So I was going to all of the Cavs games. Courtside, Dan Gilbert, I keep putting him on because that's my man. He put me on with StockX, part owner, and will give me on all of the Cavs games, floor seats. You know what I'm saying? Free 99.
We're gonna unpack that StockX in a second too.
Oh my gosh, bro! Floor seats for the Cavs. So I would always go to the games. I was dressed in as Anderson Varejao. Baron Davis was there. I just put on a beard. I wear the jersey for Kyrie Irving, pants, everything. I would go in there fully uniform as a Cavalier to all of the games on courtside. Like, so Dan Gilbert was like, "Oh well, we got Joe. He's the top pick," and I was strapping. Had 6 picks my rookie year. So football went good for me when I played for the Browns my rookie year, but we still probably won like 4 games. But I had 6 picks, 22 pass breakups. You know what I'm saying? Like I was out there like literally like, I'm sorry guys, like I'm just gonna make sure it's not on me the reason why we lose. You know what I'm saying?
Speaking of pass breakups, I know you mentioned to me earlier that you had how many pass breakups in your
I think it's 156. 150 something.
And where would that stack you up?
I think it's like 10 all time.
10th all time.
Yeah.
So if you could catch, you would probably be like.
If I could catch, then I could be goddamn first in picks.
They said
you with the pass breakups, that means you can't catch. You can catch the worst.
Yeah, if you could. I always attribute PBUs to no hands, man. You know. I seen you drop a couple, bro. I seen you make some plays, but I seen you drop a couple.
I know for sure I drop at least 12 of them things, bro. That's embarrassing.
How much money did you cost yourself by not catching those?
Do you want me to tell you honestly?
Yeah.
At least 15 million.
Yeah.
Yeah, 15 million.
Them picks bring you that extra chicken.
Bruh, I'm telling you. Real talk.
Yeah.
I'd have picked them bitches off. I don't know if I'd be right here right now. Having this conversation. I might have played one more, goddamn.
Got you a couple
they
more
gave me 11.